Okay. Go.
You making my picture?
Go. Is this gay in your culture?
No.
Why is this not?
It's my brother. It's my friend. We love.
But in
Love means not like that.
in America, this is gay.
America, this is gay. We are not gay. We have different culture. I'm not from America. I'm work permit here.
Where are you from?
Nepal.
And is
Mount
this,
Everest.
Is this gay in Nepal?
Never.
Never?
No.
Why?
We didn't have like that culture gay. Because our country, I never saw the gay. And we didn't have like that gay, feeling gay, culture gay. I love you because you are my small brother.
Okay.
You are my friend.
So it's okay for you
Yeah.
to put your arm and your leg on me?
It's okay.
It's okay?
Everything is okay. We are together. We are brother. We love each other. Not for gay.
Not
That's
for gay.
American is stupid peoples. They don't have mind. That's why they feel gay because boy touching, girl touching. They're gay. No. It's a motherfucker stupid culture. That's why America always poor. American government is always rich, but people is always poor.
So it's
Because
fine
they
for
didn't have mind.
So it's fine for you to do this then, right?
Uh-huh.
So we can sleep like this? It's nothing?
Yeah, of course.
With your leg too?
Yeah, like this.
Like this?
Because I'm your big brother, you are my small brother.
Okay.
Suppose if you sleep your mother, you feel gay? You feel girlfriend? If you sleep your mother, if you sleep your auntie, you feel your girlfriend?
No.
And if you sleep your brother, big brother, you feel gay?
No.
How you explain? And how you say American people say gay? You are sleeping with your big brother. How you say like that?
But this is gay.
Never.
This is not gay.
I told you already. If you sleep your mother, you feel your girlfriend.
Mm-hmm.
If you sleep your mother, you feel your
Oh,
girlfriend.
no.
And if you sleep your brother, you feel gay.
No.
And why you say this is the gay?
Because this is gay.
Never.
In
If
America, this is gay.
No, this is the gay, if you sleep your mother, you have to say, she's my girlfriend.
Okay.
You understand what I mean?
I understand now.
Yeah.
I get it.
You got it?
I get it.
Love is love.
Right.
If you love the brother, we are not gay. If you love your mother, that's not your girlfriend.
Right.
Love is love.
Right.
We are together because we love each other. Not for gay, not for other things, not for sex.
Okay, so we go to sleep then.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
This
very
is
much.
not gay.
Yeah, this is not gay.
Only if he knew.